Everything's bigger in Texas, right? Well, apparently their dents are too. This Florida man is going to take this wrinkled steel and bring it to this state here without harming the original paint finish. Stay tuned. Yeah, that's right. This car was shipped from Texas to Florida to have it repaired a very unconventional way. This customer has done his research and he really wants to keep and preserve the original beautiful paint job on this vehicle and also preserve the original quarter panel, where he was told by several shops in the area that he would have to cut this entire section off and then put a new one on. But we're going to take a different route here. We're going to fix this metal without repainting it. We're not going to harm anything about the original paint, and we're going to move everything and shift everything back into position. First step, we're using this hot glue setup here to actually take some of the stress out of the deep impact points on this repair and go in there and kind of slowly manipulate the metal back into position using a series of rods and different types of tips that get to the back side of that metal. And here's just one of those rods I was speaking of. You can see it's about a 1/2 inch diameter rod. It goes inside there, and we're just slowly pushing that steel back into place. And then we also go from the outside. You can see here we're using that special light reflection that allows us to see all the different low spots and high spots. And although it looks messy, it actually comes together very slowly but surely and allows us to give our customers a very unique type of repair. And it's mainly unique in the sense that every technician offers a different skill set, different level of quality in the end results, just like a tattoo artist or a cosmetic surgeon, if you will. And that's one of the reasons why the customer did their research. They found me on YouTube and they saw that I was offering a really high quality repair outcome on these really bad dents, and they wanted it done this way. Regardless though, and more so, it's just a much higher quality repair outcome than you'll get anywhere else. And this is because nothing changes about the vehicle during the process of repairing it. You can see here that tail lamp pocket is shifted in, so we're actually going to shift it back out and have it set back into its natural state, pulling it tight back into the panel. And we're going to go ahead and seam seal it or reseal it after we're done getting it back into position. None of the welds are broken, so that's a good thing. And we were able to just reseal it. And you can see that metal moving in the light reflection. That's a good sign. There's the seal I was just talking about. We seam sealed it up for the customer and went from this to this in a matter of hours. This is roughly collectively about 16 hours. Just kind of bouncing back and forth on other repairs while working on this. And you can see this is something that the customer and I talked about before he even shipped the car. There's a little bit of a paint blemish right there, but it stayed intact and he was willing to live with that versus, the alternative of, cutting the entire quarter panel off or filling the entire quarter panel with Bondo or body filler. You can see we did not drill any holes anywhere in the vehicle to gain access to the back side of the panel. That is something that we will not do, but you can see it came out fantastic. Another happy customer in the books. If you have any questions about paintless dent repair, feel free to go to the website or call 386-216-5185. Or if you're in the market for some advanced paintless dent repair training, feel free to go there as well. Thank you.